What's up, guys? It's One Hit KO Cards here with another unboxing. I just got this package in the mail. It's supposed to be from my girlfriend's parents. So let's open this thing up and see what we got. Gotta grab my knife. 1 second. Alright. Okay, so we'll start with this. Just another quick unboxing video. Put my knife back. So, let's see what this is. Oh my. A 19-inch class LED TV, HDMI TV. Sweet. Alright, let's take this thing out and unbox it. I gotta put it down here for a second. Put this box. Okay. For right here, I'm gonna have to hold you guys just for a second. So let's get this thing open. Oh, first let's start with the outside stuff. I don't know why this is on the outside of it. We'll try cutting it. There. So I'm not gonna take it out. You can clearly see that it's the power cable for it. Okay. Let's check out the top here. It has PC input, so I can use the monitor or the TV as a monitor, and then another tuner, and I can use an HDMI connect with multiple HD sources. 19-inch. There's what it looks like. Element Electronics. So, let's get this bad boy open. Put you guys on my stand once I can get this thing open, just so you guys can see the top. There we go. Okay, I'll set my stand up quick. There. Now you guys won't be so wiggled. Alright, let's take this bad boy out. Okay, first we have just some quick start guides. Batteries. I imagine there's a remote in here. A stand. That's pretty nice. Attaching tabletop stand. Alright, that's cool. Packaging, of course. Always gotta have packaging. Alright, let's try it out. Throw the box to the side. two-piece. Let's see this bad boy. There it is. Pick you guys back up. Oops. And there it is. 19-inch. There's a bunch of tape on it. So there we are. That is the new, oh, and here's the remote. I didn't think it was in there, but here it is. I'm not going to take it out. You guys can obviously see that it is a remote, nothing too special about it. So yeah, I might have to use this thing for a computer monitor. Maybe do some editing on it. I mean, it's not a bad idea. But, alright, that will be the end of this video. This has been another unboxing. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Instagram at OneHitKOCards and Twitter at CraigCards. So, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.